Hello, I'm Ian from Emotion Systems, and this video is a quick guide explaining what F actually is. So the screen that you can see is our F product. F stands for Emotion File Finish, so EFF, Emotion File Finish. And what it does is it's a product to look at common media files, such as MXF files, QuickTime MOV files or WAV files, to analyze the audio content of those files, if necessary correct it to your chosen specifications of loudness or PPM measurements, and to create a new version of the file in the original MXF, QuickTime MOV or WAV format. So along the way it displays quite a lot of information on the file to help you know what you're doing. So if I were to select a file, open that, it immediately does some analysis as you open the file. When it's finished doing the analysis, in the center section in the file information, it displays this information. So this is metadata information. So how big is the file? What's the stream structure of the file? Sample rate, duration of the audio, and so on. So a lot of useful information there. When we've done the analysis, we have in the lower half of the screen, we have some graphs that display by default. So I'm showing here a graph of program loudness. If I click the tab for true peak, we'll see the true peak graph of that audio. Underneath here there's a tab that lets us switch between displaying graphs and logs, and if I go to the logs, then we can see that for every measurement point that we've taken, we're showing you for the two channels of this particular stereo file all of the true peak values that we found in the file. Over on the right hand side, we're giving the detail of the measurement. So we're saying this particular file was measured with a program loudness based on dialogue intelligence of -23.6 LKFS. The amount of dialogue in the file was shown as 72%. And the maximum true peak values that were found throughout the file are displayed here as well. So what we've done then is we've taken the MXF file in this case, and we've done some measurements on the audio and presented the results to you. If you wish, you can go ahead and correct that file. And when we click process, what it's going to do is to write out a new version of the file. And by a new version of the file, what I mean is it's going to duplicate the source MXF file. The video in the new file will be 100% guaranteed identical to the source file. The bulk of the metadata will remain identical, but the audio will change to suit your processing requirements. At any stage you can create reports, and it's very handy to have PDF reports that you can send to your clients. If we click to save the report here, so we've created a report, and if I just look for the PDF file, and so here's the PDF report from that file with information including the graphs, which you can keep archived, send to your client, whatever as needed. So that's a brief explanation of what F actually is, and thank you for watching.